finals, we bettered that world record timing. We were third. I think it's a fantastic performance of 3 minutes 20, which is nearly as fast as our senior team ran in Tokyo. Our senior team ran 3:19.68, and our team here has run 3:20. So this just goes to show the depth of the program, depth of our junior program, depth of our inter-district program, where our juniors today are capable of competing with our seniors, and it's just a matter of time that we will be getting more and more medals. I think Neeraj Chopra has shown the way. He's shown the way to all the athletes that it is possible. We can also win medals at world level. And I'm very glad that our juniors today have done well. Just to let you know, 2 of our girls ran 3 races of 400 meters in one day, which is phenomenal, and still get the best timing in the finals. It was because the program had to be, because of various reasons, the 6-day program was made to 5 days. And one of the girls, Priya, also qualified for the 400 meters finals. So, and there are lots of events to come. Today, our boys have qualified in the javelin throw. There is long jump to come. There is lots of events to come. So I think it's a great beginning. I want to thank Dr. Bhanot for his vision of starting the inter-district program 17 years ago. And I think today we can see that it's really showing fruits. It's a long term. It's not something that we can do overnight. We had the patience, we've had the trust and the faith in our program, and today we are seeing results. So I'm very, very pleased. Thank you very much. I asked Dr. Bhanot to say a few words, please.
President Saab, I think it would be better if let the athletes would come and speak, and then
Sure.
Ravinder Chaudhary. Yeah.
Sure. So
you have said everything. Yeah.
Thank you. Coach Saab, let the athletes please speak to the media. They can speak one by one. Coach Saab, इनसे बात कराइए.
We feel very great, like it's the first medal in the World Championship, and it was the first finals of ours. So it is very proud moment for the India, and it will be an inspiration for many youngsters. And I would like to thank AFI for all the support they have given us, all the facilities they have given us, during the airport. Still the AFI managed to send us. So I really thank AFI for all the support they have given. And
how you prepare yourself for the relay and the 400 meter on the same?
It was like morning we had heat, so I prepared my mind to run the heats like in 80%, so that my body opens up for the finals. So it was great.
And you also run 400 meter heats, so 3 races in a day. So whether there is any problem at any stiffness
during 400 meter heats, I felt little stiffness because I didn't had so much recovery. I didn't had so much time to recover. But I and Sumi managed to do well. We both have put a lot of effort, so it's all good.
Sumi, you want to say something, Sumi? Unmute yourself.
Congratulations, I'm Sumi from Italy. We get medals for us. We fight to get chance participate in World Championship and sports us. Thank you all.
नितिन, ये आपका ही है, यहाँ पे 2-3 लोगों का चल रहा है ना, बंद करवाना पड़ेगा.
नितिन, आपके कंप्यूटर पे आ जाओ.
One more thing I want to say is I want to really thank the support staff and the physios and the masseurs who did a tremendous job to bring them back after the first round to the second round to the third round. So I really also want to place record my thanks to the team management and the support staff.
भरत एंड कपिल आप लोग स्टार्ट कीजिए. भरत, कपिल अनम्यूट कीजिए.
Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
Good afternoon. First of all, good afternoon to every officials. It's a really proud moment to get medal in World Championship for our country. Actually, first of all, I want to thank our AFI to make all the facilities before this competition and made us to participate in this World Championship. They have done a lot of facilities, like they have given some camp for us before this competition, and I would like to thank my every support staff, like of my coaches and then masseurs, my physios, and especially our chief coach Kamal Ali sir, because I got injured. They trusted me and made me to run here, so that I have won this medal. So I have need to thank AFI for this giving this opportunity to me. Thank you.
नमस्कार सर. नमस्कार सर.
बोलो बेटा बोलो.
सर मेरा नाम कपिल है. एफआई से बहुत ही कुछ मिला है. गुड कोच, गुड फैसिलिटी. एफआई की बहुत सपोर्ट रही है. बस यही कहना चाहता हूँ. और कमाल अली सर का बहुत हो रहा है हमारे साथ सहयोग. थैंक यू सर.
बोलो.
ये मेरा पहला इंटरनेशनल कंपटीशन है और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमने मेडल जीता है. तो कांग्रेट्स टू ऑल स्पोर्ट मी एंड थैंक यू.
If you have any questions, please raise your hands one by one. Anyone?
Vinayak has a question.
Yes, Vinayak, go ahead. Ask Vinayak, ask.
विनायक बोलिए, अनम्यूट करके बोलिए. विनायक जी बोलिए.
Either Sumi or Priya can answer this question. How hard was it for you guys to run 3 races in a day? कितना कठिन था आप लोग के लिए? How difficult was it?
Unmute, please. Unmute.
First race was okay because it was the first race. Both of us. Then our physiotherapists have helped us a lot to recover, and we went to hotel also. We had nice lunch. Then we became mentally strong and we mentally prepared our mind, and that's how we got the medal.
Abhishek Roy, Hindustan Times. Abhishek.
दिवेश, आपको सबको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा वन बाय वन, जिसको भी आप नाम दें.
I've sent it to unmute. Yes.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, Abhishek.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So I just wanted to know, were all of them playing in their first international competition? And since it was a World Junior Championship, I mean, did they feel any kind of pressure and in their first competition, such a big competition, the first one?
नो सर, ऐसा कि हमने अच्छी प्रैक्टिस करी थी. प्रेशर तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. हमें पूरा यकीन था कि हमारा मेडल जरूर आएगा और हम अच्छा दौड़ेंगे. हमारा मेडल पक्का है.
वो पूछ रहे हैं आपका पहला इंटरनेशनल कंपटीशन था क्या?
यस सर.
प्रिया, आपका?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि पहला इंटरनेशनल कंपटीशन और पहला मेडल हमें मिला है.
I think what you're seeing is an emergence of a new India, a confident India where our athletes, I think Neeraj has done the trick. Our athletes now believe that all they need to do is run their best. And if they can run their best, they will get a medal. So I think this is the emergence of a new India.
नरेश शेलके जी, नरेश जी,
हाँ नमस्ते, नरेश बोल रहा हूँ।
पूछिए।
सबसे पहले सभी को बधाई, प्लेयर्स को, आप सबको, AFI टीम को। मेरा क्वेश्चन आदिल सर से है कि हेलो,
बोलिए बोलिए।
नीरज का गोल्ड आया टोक्यो में, उसके बाद वर्ल्ड जूनियर में पहले दिन मेडल आया। तो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट दिस मेडल एज अ होल फॉर द इंडियन एथलीट्स और इंडियन एथलेटिक्स?
See, getting an Olympic medal is the ultimate, but that is not like a flash in the pan. Today, you see the depth of our runners. Our runners today, our juniors have clocked the same timing our seniors clocked in the Olympic Games. So if you can understand that, this is the depth, and this is why this medal is so important to me especially, and our whole team who have worked so hard to create a junior talent program and train young talent who will be the future of Indian athletics.
Nihal Koshi, Indian Express.
This question is सब athletes के लिए ये question है। आप लोग before the world championship आपका preparation कैसे रहा? आप कितने दिन एक साथ training किया? And उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, build up के बारे में before world championship के पहले।
We had camp from 23rd July, but few of them couldn't join because we had nationals in between. So after that, we joined and we worked as a team daily. Like we had baton exchange once in 2 days, and we worked really hard as a team, and we feel very proud.
And Bharat, like आपका कुछ आप इंजरी के बारे में बता रहा था, उसके बारे में थोड़ा आप elaborate कर सकते हैं?
Sir, English. So I don't understand Hindi. English. Can you tell in English, sir?
You were talking a little about you had some injury and the coach helped you recover. Could you talk about that a little?
Yes, I got injury while I came to workout, sir. Actually, we got rest because of the COVID-19. We haven't done workout for past 3 months. And after that, we have came to workout. We got injury in my left ankle. I got a sling ligament sprain over there. So doctor advised me that you can't able to run much more races. So they tell to just withdraw this competition. But our coaches trusted me, and they allowed me to make this and so that I can able to achieve this. Coaches and my AFI coaches have helped me a lot to get rid of this and help to concentrate in this competition and make me to won this.
Okay.
Indranil ji. Unmute yourself.
Thank you, Divya ji. This is for Adil sir के लिए question एक है.
बोलो Indranil.
So this junior team has run fabulously. I mean, they almost equal the senior team. So will that put pressure on the senior team who are already there in the national team? Are you going to look at this set of players also when you are going to, going forward, like next national camp when you're going to host in seniors, you're going to look at these athletes also?
As far as I am concerned, the best will run. So whether they're juniors or seniors makes no difference. If A can run faster than B, then A will take part. I'm very clear about that. The only thing is that you need bench strength. For example, if you look at the sprint program of Jamaica, there are so many sprinters, and therefore you can get one Usain Bolt or any of these other sprinters. There's so many sprinters. So when you have bench strength, automatically your overall performance will improve. And as far as I am concerned, I'm here to make sure the best participate. My job and our job as a federation is to create enough bench strength so that at any point we can change runners, we can substitute runners at any point. If somebody gets injured, we should be able to seamlessly substitute them, and that is most important for me. So I think I don't look at juniors or seniors. The best will run. Divesh? Divesh?
Biju from Times of India.
Yeah, congrats to each one of you. Can you tell me how inspiring was, you all would have seen Neeraj Chopra's victory at Tokyo. How inspiring was Neeraj's feat for all of you to excel at the world level?
Sir, actually, that would be a great inspiration for us. Before that, we have thought that Indians can't. Some people can't think that Indians can't able to do anything in athletics like that. But after this, we got encouraged and we got that power to show them that the Indians is much more better than other countries in athletics like that, sir.
Last two questions. Priya, you want to add something to that?
Neeraj was really good inspiration. It was like when we saw Neeraj Chopra winning gold medal, we were like, okay, we have to also win medal. We have to like be take how to say, follow his steps, and we have to win many more medals for India so that athletics becomes a main sport in India, and we get a lot of support and lot of youngsters will participate in athletics. So I thank everyone for all the support, and we trusted Bharat a lot. It was all the trust in our group. So I thank everyone for all the support, AFI, all the physios, everyone.
Thank you and congrats once again.
Biswajyoti Brahma.
Hi, congratulations to all.
Yeah, go ahead.
My question is to the coach. When you made the change for the final, you bought Bharat for Abdul Razak. Was this tactical, or the timing in the qualifying was a deciding factor?
Firstly, I thank you from the bottom of my heart to President and especially for the chairman of the AFI who give me the full responsibility and full hand work. इसके लिए मैं सबसे पहले इनको शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा कि मुझे क्या स्ट्रेटेजी करनी है, इसके लिए उन्होंने फुल मुझे फ्री किया था. Because we want in the final first leg in 47 plus, then 100% we will in the medal. So we give the rest because he has the injury also. So, but मैं confidently 100% था कि वो final में वो 47 की running करेगा और हम medal में आएंगे. तो उसी लिए हमने रज़ाक 48 प्लस तक कंटिन्यू करना था, तो हमने हीट उससे कराया और फाइनल के लिए प्रिपेयर किया. सुबह भी हमने उसको फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट से मदद लेके पूरे तरह किया था. स्ट्रेटजी कामयाब हो गई. तो मैं थैंक्स भी अभी रेस के टॉन से मैं चेयरमैन और प्रेसिडेंट को थैंक्स भी बोलूंगा कि उन्होंने मुझे ये चांस दिया फ्री होके वर्क करने का. एंड थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट टू AFI आल्सो.
Raja Raman sir.
थैंक यू दिवेश. मैं कपिल से सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ. कपिल, जब आपको बेटन मिला था, आप तीसरे स्थान पर थे और आपने प्रयास किया दूसरे स्थान पर आने का. मेरे को आप अपने 400 मीटर के बारे में बताइए, एंकर लेग के बारे में आप बताइए. आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था और आपका बॉडी कैसे रिएक्ट किया, ये बताइए.
सर मेरा दिमाग तो गोल्ड चल रहा है, गोल्ड लेके आना है, लेके आना है. अगली बार लेके आएंगे सर गोल्ड पक्का.
थैंक यू कपिल.
जी सर.
Andrew.
Congratulations everyone. So this question is for Priya. So Priya, you had a I mean very eventful year this year. So you in the interstate you beat senior athletes, and then unfortunately you for some reason you couldn't go to Tokyo. and now this medal. So can you take us through the whole emotional ride, and how, and your family also is very involved, I believe. They haven't slept for days. So the whole family and you, what has happened in this year for you?
I didn't get Tokyo because I was a non-camper, but it is good that I got time to prepare for the World Athletics Championship. It was a good decision also, and I feel like my family and my personal coach Arjun Ajay, he supported me a lot. He trained like they didn't sleep for like 1 or 2 months. They fought for me. Whatever I asked, they always supported me a lot. And AFI also has given a lot of facilities. They helped they put my personal coach in the camp so that I perform well also. So I thank AFI also for putting my coach in personal in the camp.
Thank you, Andrew. Vimal sir, are you there? You have message on WhatsApp. Vimal Mohan sir. अनम्यूट कीजिए सर.
हाँ कर लिया.
ओके बोलिए.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेनी कांग्रेचुलेशंस एथलेटिक्स टीम. और कोई अगर एथलीट सुमी या कोई हिंदी में जवाब देना चाहे. पहले तो एक जमाइका को हराना अपने आप में मतलब कितना कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्टिंग था, और क्या प्रोसेस था वो मेंटली फिजिकली तैयार होने का 2-3 रेस दौड़ने के बाद फाइनल कर लिया.
सर मेरे को कुछ प्रेशर भी नहीं था, लेकिन जमाइका आगे थी और मेरे को लगा कि 200 से पहले मैंने उससे आगे आना है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट लाइन में जो 200 पे फर्स्ट होगा वही फर्स्ट लाइन में दौड़ेगा, वही फर्स्ट लाइन में खड़ा होएगा. वो तो इस करके मैंने जमाइका से आगे आने की कोशिश की और वो सफल हुआ मेरे लिए.
One last question, Sumojyoti Singh Chaudhary. Yeah, आप मीडिया नाम बता दें. Sumojyoti, last question. Yes, go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, my question is for Sumariwala sir. I just wanted to ask that Neeraj gold has been landmark for India. So, what does he think being the AFI head? How does it going to change the? Does he feel that it is going to change the landscape of Indian athletics going forward? Looking into 2024 Paris.
Sir, unmute please. Adil sir, unmute please. Adil sir. Adil sir, we cannot hear you. नितिन देखो ना.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So what I was saying is, it is the federation's job to create a process and system and give the facilities to our athletes, but finally the athletes have to go there and perform. Since we had not won a medal in athletics ever, the whole pressure was that the thought and the mental process is, we've done everything, but we can't win a medal. And with Neeraj showing that win a medal, Neeraj won a World Championships junior gold medal and set a world record. He won the Asian Games, he won the Commonwealth Games, and he also won the Olympic Games. And he's shown a way. He's shown a way that, yes, it is possible. And youngsters who've run today have now the self-confidence that otherwise they always feel, are we missing something which somebody else has, which the other countries have? Is there something that we don't have which they have? That is why they are winning. But Neeraj is as good or as like every other Indian. And if he can win a medal, so can everybody else. And that has removed a huge mental block from our Indian athletes. And I believe this is just the beginning, as I have said earlier. This is the beginning of many things to happen. The whole landscape is set to change. we never used to win medals in even in juniors. Neeraj showed the way, Hima showed the way, and now today is only the first day. I am confident that in the next 4 days to come, many good things will happen. So please watch out for this space. It's getting relayed live. The link is available. Please look at it. Please have a study of it, and you yourselves will realize that we are soon emerging into a new India with our youth and our young athletes who have the confidence to go out there and fight with the rest of the world and win. Thank you very much. And thank you for joining up with all of you for coming and joining at this hour. Thank you.
Manoj sir, no more questions.
No, nothing. It's all right. We congratulate everyone. They
Sir,
have
we can't
run
hear
very
you.
well. They
No, sir,
got
we
the.
can't hear you.
Hello.
Agi?
Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
We congratulate our team. We have our good junior program, and I think probably it's our federation has all given all competitions to our junior. Very recently, we had our national championship where all they participated and selected on the basis of their performance. So I'm very confident that athletes will do better in the coming years, and this will be our team basically for 2024 Olympics. So we will be preparing them for that. Thank you. Thanks for coming, and congratulations to the runners, the Indian team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Nitin ji, close the meeting, please.